Look at this cup. It's 1600 years old. In normal light, it looks green, but when light shines through it, it glows blood red. Magic? Not quite. This effect comes from something we now call nanotechnology, but here's the twist. Modern scientists only began understanding nanotechnology in the late 20th century. So how did Roman artisans create this effect in the 4th century? Today we are diving into a mystery where ancient craftsmanship meets modern science. These particles interact with light in a very specific way, changing the color depending on how light passes through the glass. Today we use similar principles in modern nanotechnology and optical science. Here where it gets interesting, creating this effect today requires precise control over materials at a microscopic level, but the Romans did not have microscopes. They did not have modern atomic theory either. So how did they manage to produce such consistent results? Was it purely trial and error, or did ancient craftsmen understand more about materials than we give them credit for? One idea is the accidental discovery theory, skilled artisans experimenting over generations until they perfected the technique. Another possibility, a level of craftsmanship so refined it feels almost scientific. Either way, it reminds us of something important. Knowledge does not always move forward in a straight line. Sometimes it's rediscovered. So what do you think? Was this genius by design or a beautiful accident? Tell me in the comments, and if you love mysteries where science meets history, don't forget to subscribe.